subscribe. Subscribe my Beauty of Nature YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for more notifications. Animals. A sea animal is any type of animal that lives in a body of salt water, like a sea or ocean, so starfish and krill are just as much sea animals as a whale is. All sea or ocean-dwelling animals can be further classified based on how they move and where they live. An aquatic animal is an animal, either vertebrate or invertebrate, which lives in the water for most or all of its lifetime. Many insects such as mosquitoes, mayflies, dragonflies and caddisflies have aquatic larvae, with winged adults. Dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals and are part of the family of toothed whales that includes orcas and pilot whales. They are found worldwide, mostly in shallow seas of the continental shelves, and are carnivores, mostly eating fish and squid. Dolphin is a common name of aquatic mammals within the infraorder Cetacea. The term dolphin usually refers to the extant families Delphinidae, Platanicidae, Inidae, and Pontopridae, and the extinct Ripatidae. There are 40 extant species named as dolphins. Sharks are a group of elasmobranchfish characterized by a cartilaginous skeleton, 5 to 7 gill slits on the sides of the head, and pectoral fins that are not fused to the head. Modern sharks are classified within the clade Selachomorpha, or Selachia, and are the sister group to the rays. Sharks are a superorder fish, the Selachomorpha. They, as different chondrichthyes, have skeletons made of ligament rather than bone. Ligament is intense, rubbery material which is less inflexible than bone. Cartilaginous fish likewise incorporate scales and beams. There are in excess of 350 various types of sharks, for example, the incredible white and whale sharks. Fossils show that sharks have been around for 420 million years, since the early Silurian. 1. The extraordinary white shark is probably the greatest shark. Most sharks are predators, which means they chase and eat fish, marine warm-blooded animals. Sturgeons. The European sea sturgeon, also known as the Atlantic sturgeon or common sturgeon, is a species of sturgeon previously found on most coasts of Europe. It is anadromous and breeds in rivers. It is currently a critically endangered fish. Fish are gill-bearing aquatic craniate animals that lack limbs with digits. They form a sister group to the tunicate, together forming the olfactors. Included in this definition are the living hagfish, lampreys, and cartilaginous and bony fish as well as various extinct related groups. Gray seal. Gray seal is a marine mammal that belongs to the family of true seals. There are two subspecies of gray seal that can be found along both sides of the North Atlantic Ocean. Gray seal inhabits temperate and subarctic waters and sandy and rocky beaches. turtles are reptiles of the order Testudines characterized by a special bony or cartilaginous shell developed from their ribs and acting as a shield. Turtle may refer to the order as a whole or to freshwater and sea-dwelling Testudines. The order Testudines includes both extant and extinct species.